Hello, brother. Which place?
I am from Delhi.
Okay, good. So describe the most embarrassing moment in your life. Today's
Most
topic of discuss.
embarrassing moment in my life. Would like to
Yes.
put out your camera. थोड़ा पीछे कर सकते हैं आप? Yeah, nice. So my most embarrassing moment in my life. देखो, let's see. I was in 10th class. Okay, I was in 10th class, and I used to sit like behind of the desk, like on the last desk, and there are a lot of my friends, and they were like interrupting me, and they are making me very, you can say, jealous. They were like
Okay.
teasing me a lot on that time, and I was studying. They were teasing me, I was studying, and I said to them,
What?
why are you teasing me? Don't tease me. Okay. Suddenly my ma'am stood up, and she was an English teacher, and she stood up, and she said to me, please stand up. I stood up, and she said to me, why are you fighting? Why are you teasing them? I said, I am not teasing them any. I was studying, and they were teasing to me. I was sitting silently, and in English I said, okay. So she said to me, okay, go outside, pick your bag and go outside in the corridor. So I picked my bag, and then I went outside. Then I was writing an application to for my friends, to principal, like to the principal. My friends were teasing me, and I was studying this kind of thing. I was writing over there. Suddenly my sir came to me, and he said to me, what are you doing there? Told the whole story, what happened with me, and he said to me, please go inside and say sorry to ma'am. And I went inside of the classroom. Then I said, sorry ma'am. And she said to me, please
So
go and yes.
why the madam, why the madam punished you, not those who are teasing you?
Though my friends were teasing
He's
me,
not aware of. He's not aware of that matter.
she was not aware that I was studying. Okay, and my friends were teasing me a lot. But she's like, मतलब उनको लगा, she focused that I am like I am teasing them. Okay, that's why she punished me.
Okay.
Okay, so I went to the classroom, and I said, sorry ma'am. She said to me, go and sit. I went there, and I like sit there. So what happened after 2 days? She said to me, your English was awesome. So it was my most embarrassing moment. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
What is your?
When uh, at my the sixth or seventh class, one of my friend put Fevicol on my desk seat, and my pant are like stuck with that seat. So and everyone laughing at me like I'm not able to understand, and if I stand, then my pant will be like
Tiered.
how to say
Tiered.
rip off, teared.
Yeah.
So it's a very embarrassing situation. Everyone watching me, and I am feel like I am feel like what should I do in that situation? And last I sit all the period till the end of my school, and after that I stand up and my pant got teared, and I like that's the my one of the most embarrassing situation in my life.
Okay. Nice. Do I tell you one thing that I
Yeah.
am also YouTuber?
Okay.
Yeah.
It's like what's your channel name?
My channel name is like Speak Easy India.
Okay, Speak Easy India.
Yeah.
Okay, so you are making a video on how to become a fluent, how to learn English, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And what do you do right now? Are you a student or a working professional?
I'm student right now. I'm studying computer science engineering.
Okay,
Yeah.
good. Okay, so for how many days you have been in this application for your fluency?
For episode,
Yes.
I have downloaded it yesterday.
Okay.
Yeah.
And before that, you are preparing some any other platform?
Not any platform. I also teach on YouTube too. So that's why I was practicing over there also. But I have used first time.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. So like, what's the like? Can you give me some advice? Like, how can I improve my communication skill? I'm not good at speaking. I'm little bit. I'm able to speak, but I'm not good. I think you know very well, according to my conversation.
Do you know what? Its time is going to be end. Okay, so if you would you like to take my number or talk to me over on WhatsApp, so it would be good.
Okay.